Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial about how you can create your Instagram account. Well, to create your Instagram account, open the Instagram application on your device and click on Create New Account. Well, you can create your Instagram account either by using your phone number or email address, and I'm using my email address to create my account. Then click on Next. Well, it will send you a confirmation code on the email address you use. Just grab it and add it here. And then click on Next. Now create your password and click on Next. Well, if you want to save your password to Google Password Manager, just click on Continue. Otherwise, click on Not Now. And you can also save your login info on your device so that you won't find a need to add it every time you open the application. Now, add your date of birth and click on Next. Here, add your name and create a username that you may see fit. And then click on Next. And then click on I agree to accept the terms and policies. Here it's asking you to add your profile picture, which you can skip. Then click on Done. Now your Instagram account has just been created and you can customize it according to your needs. Well, you can allow it to access your contacts or you can skip it. Here you can turn on notifications if you want. Now your Instagram account is fully functional and you can use it by going to these tabs. Well, under your profile tab, you can click on See All to follow people. Moreover, you can edit your profile by going to Edit Profile and can share your ideas by clicking on this plus sign. And this is how you can create your Instagram account, and I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.